What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you a feature I feel like every Samsung user should know. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. I'm going to be showing you a feature, and this exact feature is basically going to be showing you how to back up your home screen. So you may have a bunch of different applications on your home screen. You may have some different widgets, and something may have messed up along the way. You may have moved one of the widgets out of the way or removed a few of the applications, and you want it to be in the same layout that you had before. You want to have your same folders, like we have a Google folder. Sometimes people have their finance folder, they have their travel folder, and all those different folders. So I'm just going to show you an example of this really quick. So we're going to go ahead and remove random things off of the home screen. So let's go ahead and remove text message app, PUBG, let's remove this Google folder, and let's remove this Galaxy Store right here. Now, we're kind of in a predicament because we don't remember what applications we had on the home screen before, and we don't know how our setup was. So this is going to be a simple fix, and all you're going to have to do is go to the Galaxy Store. So let's go to the Galaxy Store. You're going to go ahead and click on the Galaxy Store right here. And now we're going to be downloading an application called Good Lock. So go ahead and type that in. And I already have that downloaded. So go ahead and click on that after you've downloaded it. And this is only for Galaxy devices. There are other applications you can use if you have an Android device, but this is strictly for Galaxy devices and strictly on the Galaxy Store. And then we're going to go ahead and download our Home Up little extension inside of this application. Then we're going to go ahead and click on it. And it's going to take us to this little setting tab right here. It kind of looks like the settings that we have on our Galaxy A72 right here. But what we're going to want to go ahead and do is scroll down to backup and restore. Now, as you guys can see, it says the layout will be backed up according to the selected frequency. You can have a backup or a screenshot being taken every single day. Or you can have it taken every single hour. I would definitely just do 1 day each, and the max size is going to be 20, so you're going to have 20 different days that you backed up, so you can choose from each one that you want. Or if you want to go ahead and back up something, you can go ahead and take a screenshot immediately just by go ahead and clicking that right there, and that'll show up as a backup. So our home screen that we have right there is going to be showing up as a backup if we want to go ahead and just save a backup like that. But as you guys saw, it took a photo of my applications originally. We're going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to say, do you want to restore the selected layout? You're just going to click OK. And as you guys see, that brought the applications back, and it was that simple. So let's go ahead and go through that one more time so you guys know what to do once you have the application downloaded. Let's go ahead and delete those two right there. We're going to first go into the Good Lock application. So go in there. And the other extension that you downloaded in there, Home Up, we're going to click on that next. Then we're going to click on Backup and Restore. And we're going to scroll down to what choice we want. Click OK. And it restores the applications and the home screen and any widgets that were there beforehand to its original value. So really cool stuff right here. I thought this was a really cool feature. Just wanted to share this with all the Samsung users out there. If you guys have any questions or any problems, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. But hopefully this video did help you. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you are not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.